Akron Media Production's 4th art competition, and today the competition is to build the best snowman out of any material in the art room. And we're going to be picking names out of this hat.
Tessa!
Alright, Logan. No, just one. Ryan. Ooh. Teams will have 2 minutes to discuss what they will be using and what they will be planning for their snowman, and then they will have 10 minutes to actually complete the snowman. As you can see, they are discussing it now. Correction, they will now have 15 minutes to complete their snowman. Is everybody ready to start the timer? Okay, that's too bad. We're going to start it anyways. 3, 2, 1, go! So, what are the design choices here? What are you gonna do for the snowman?
So we're actually going for a little bit of disco, a little bit of glitter. We're gonna make it really tall, really shiny, yeah.
Tall, really shiny. You have anything to add?
Shiny.
Shiny. Do you think you're gonna win with this?
Absolutely. I think Muira is finally gonna lose on this one because she doesn't have a lot of holiday spirits. It kind of sucks at this.
All right. How about you?
Shiny.
So you heard it. Hey guys, how's the snowman going?
I feel so confident.
Well, that's good. So what are you thinking on the design? What's going on here?
Hear me out. I'll give you 3 words that describe the design. Y2K, summer, and winning. Girly. Oh, that's a better one.
That's 4 words.
Well,
And
I give it.
Speaking of winning, do you feel confident that you're gonna win your 4th competition in a row, Mira?
I feel so confident. Tessa on my side. I know we got this. I had a win with Mira, so
You guys gonna get it
a
running back?
little overpowered for a team, but yeah, I think we got it.
That sounds good. Well, good luck, guys. We now have the voting process here with special guest, Mr. Brick. So, Mr. Brick, I'm gonna ask you to rank it from your worst to most favorite.
Wow. All right, I think 3rd place has to be this one since it's clearly falling apart. 2nd place is got to be this one because its eyes are freaking me out, so it can't be 1st. This one is very creative, lots of shells. I mean, come on, it's clearly number 1. Right here, number 1. I don't know whose this is.
Alrighty, for the 4th time in a row, Mira, you've won. How are you feeling?
Amazing. So happy. I'm glad that Tessa was my partner.
Tessa, this is your 2nd time winning. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, but I guess Mira gets all the credit. So
Well, I wouldn't say that. It was a team effort.
yeah. Showman, Y2K, girly, and summary.
Sounds like a lot. Hello, and today, Jesus, we now have the